Let's party tonight. Whoa!
Finally celebrating in India.
Shot!
So I will show you all the celebrations, so don't worry about that.
Good morning, Saransh. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
You should get up.
Yeah.
Good morning, guys. It's a really special day today because it's Saransh's birthday and also I'm making my first vlog here in India after like 2 years, and it feels so weird to be vlogging here. But it feels really nice to be celebrating Saransh's birthday here. So really excited.
Yeah, same here. Super pumped.
But now we are going to do something that Saransh does. This is how he starts his morning here.
Yeah, only here, not in Canada. Good morning. Thank you.
Good morning. This is how we say morning to our parents, seek their blessings. Today we are recording Saransh's birthday vlog.
So this is the favorite part. I have this thing of having chai, aka tea and biscuit every morning when I'm in India. So this is the first thing I'm gonna do on my birthday. Enjoy. Still love my coffee though. I'm gonna have a coffee in the next 2-3 hours.
Yeah, well,
During
for
breakfast.
me, tea is not my cup of tea.
Tea is not your cup of tea. Cheers.
Yeah. But whenever I see Saransh do this, I'm always tempted though.
चल रही है.
And don't want to make anybody uncomfortable today, so we'll keep it easy. We'll take them in the frame slowly and slowly. And yes, we have all the space. It feels so different to be back home.
Yeah, super amazing with so much of space.
And what plans, birthday boy? What are we doing today?
Plan is to take it easy during the day and going super hard at night. So, which means I'm planning to host a party at night for my friends. Obviously, if I'm in India, I really want to celebrate my birthday here.
Yeah, like properly. But during the day, we'll just be home, chill with our parents.
Yeah,
and
spend some time with them, and at night, yep, we'll be partying.
Yeah.
After ages.
I know. So I will show you all the celebrations, so don't worry about that.
Peace out for now.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, it's been like 3 to 4 days that I've been here in India now. And for the first week, we are at Saransh's family here in Chandigarh. So that's where I am right now. And later on, we will go to Ludhiana where my parents are and spend some time with them also. But today, it's just about Saransh's birthday. So now let's not waste time and let's get ready. Saransh,
Let's get ready.
Meet Mr. Ram.
The man behind preparing some amazing food for us.
So today, he's making something special.
Usually on everyone's birthday, our family has a thing. We prepare puri and halwa.
आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा लक्ष्य.
Ram actually makes amazing dishes.
Italian, Chinese, Lebanese, Indian.
You name it. And he has everything in his bucket.
You should probably learn something from him as well.
Yeah, exactly. This is actually going to be a very heavy breakfast.
All set?
All set.
Excited to eat?
Yeah.
So for all of you who don't know, this is actually just like a naan, which is fried, but it's really fluffy and thin. And this is a very heavy meal, guys. This halwa, if you've never had this has a lot of calories, but it's really tasty. It's a deadly combination of chane, halwa and puri. So guys, for Saransh, I couldn't really do much because we are at home, right? So I didn't want to do anything separately because everybody's together. So it's a family time, it's a family day. Oh, you don't know. I'll just put a clip here. I actually got a card for Saransh for his birthday in Toronto just on my last day. It's literally the last day before flying to India, and I actually came to Indigo to get card for Saransh. I can always go in India and buy cards, but I don't know if that would be possible. But why to leave it till the last moment, because he's always going to be around So just making the best use of my time right now. And since he's turning 30 this month, I've bought this card which says 30 is the new 20. And last night I ordered flowers for him, and I'll be ordering cake as well. But yeah, waiting for the flowers. I hope they reach on time because at like 6 o'clock we have to leave the house. Let's see. Okay, I think somebody's coming. I'll just go outside. I'll see you then.
What's up? Come peekaboo.
Let's go. So now after having that heavy meal, we are going out to have a coffee.
Yes, to our
Because-
favorite place.
Which is Sardar Baksh Coffee and Company. Is that what
Yep,
it's called?
That's what it's called.
And guys, Saransh, we have to wear the mask. We have to wear
Oh,
the
yeah,
mask
I
in the
forgot.
car. Wait.
It's very ridiculous, like
It's-
wearing a mask in your own car. Can you imagine?
Yeah. That's such a stupid rule. Wait, I have to wear a mask. Also, to be honest, it feels so different to be driving a car, right? I mean, even sitting in the car is still okay. I'm sure Saransh feels
Yeah.
very different, especially
Very
while
different.
driving.
Yeah, it feels really nice to drive a car. Actually, when I go back to Toronto, I'm thinking to take some lessons and learn driving there because we badly need a car. And by the way, no one cares, even if you honk.
I mean, come on. That's the coffee place I was talking about. And we've reached. It's actually called Sardarji. I was right, Sardarji Baksh Coffee and Company. The Southern Blend.
Yeah,
right?
we usually have this one, the Southern blend.
Yeah, let's have the Southern Blend. Regular?
Yeah. 370. Yep.
Indian rupees.
Yeah, not used to giving cash. Back in Toronto, we usually use cards only all the
We
time.
can still use
We can still use cards here,
But
but I prefer cash.
thank you.
Thank you.
Got it.
Let's go.
Let's go. And now the next stop is to a salon because I want to get my hair done because it's Saransh's birthday and Saransh wants to get his.
Yeah, I want to get my beard shaved. I want to look neat and tidy.
Yeah, it's his birthday, so yeah, you need to get ready. And guys, this coffee, Sardar Baksh & Co. This is like really nice. The reason we like this coffee place is because it's really strong.
Yeah.
If you're in Chandigarh, I'm sure you've tried it. If you haven't, you should.
Everything is the same. The place, the taste, Chandigarh itself is the same.
And now next stop, Hair Masters. So this is the salon I used to go to. So we are at Hair Masters and let's go. We don't have much time.
Yeah.
Already, get a beer done.
I'm waiting to get it done.
And now we are heading to Saransh. I want to take a birthday cake for you. Although I've asked for one birthday cake, which is going to be at the venue, but I want you to cut the cake with mom and dad as well.
Sweet.
So
Yeah.
let's go and get a cake.
Yep.
I actually wanted to surprise you with all of this, but I can't. If I take the car by myself, he will know.
Exactly.
outside.
And we are always together.
Yeah.
So you won't be able to surprise me.
Damn. And also, guys, as you guys know, I was waiting for flowers. He already knows that now because he checked my phone and he saw that email confirmation. So that's also not a surprise.
That's alright.
Hopefully, once we get back home, we should have the flowers.
Yep. And we are back in the same market.
Yes,
where we-
same market, 8th sector. We are going to.
Yeah, where we took a coffee from.
And we're going to Monica's and we're going to get Saransh's favorite cake.
Let's
which
go.
is
Which is Gattu.
Gatia. Saransh, perfect.
Thank you.
Perfect.
See you.
All good?
Yep.
Let's go. Cake done. Good that people are keeping Saransh busy on the phone, so it's time to take out the card. He's literally in the room there. Now I have to write something inside. Probably I'll go to the washroom and do it. The only thing he doesn't know is this. Flowers for you.
From your side?
Yes.
Nice.
You like it?
Love it. Thank you.
No worries.
I feel special now.
You look pretty.
Which villas are these? Some exotic ones. But anyways,
Yeah.
I feel pampered now and I feel very special.
Who's there? Who's there? Where are you going?
My brother-in-law Abhi Bhaiya and Ruhi Didi.
Let's go. Let's go into
They are
Seacon.
here.
Hello. So girls are doing the makeup. Meet my sister. She's here. We are getting late. We are supposed to be there at 6 and it's already 5:30. And we have not even cut the cake with mom, dad. But anyways, we'll just quickly get ready and I'll see you after that.
Nice. This I'll read later on. There's a personal note also inside the card. Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Birthday boy is ready.
Everyone is ready.
Everyone is ready.
Yeah, we're ready.
So guys, we're all ready and on our way to the venue. Also, one of our friend is already there. We are late. Just 5 minutes more. And we should be there. Excited to celebrate Saran's 30th birthday.
Let's go.
Thirty-year-old.
30-year-old, dirty 30 it is. Let's party tonight.
So finally partying in India. So my sister, my brother-in-law Abhibya, and we are missing my brother who's in Australia as well. Miss you, Sunny, if you're watching. But then it feels so nice to be here in India together.
Finally, we are here.
It actually feels I didn't go to Canada. It's a weird feeling.
You're
but
deleting 2 years of your life.
And the birthday boy is
The birthday
here.
boy has already started
Where
drinking.
are our drinks?
Yeah, of course.
You all are waiting. I'm waiting for you.
So rude.
It's okay, guys. Cheers. Cheers.
Yeah,
cheers.
let's get our drinks now.
Cheers.
Happy birthday, happy
Cheers,
birthday.
guys. Cheers, guys.
Cheers. Hello, Ashu Mama.
Happy birthday, Saran.
Yay. Cheers, guys. Happy birthday.
Finally celebrating in India.
Yeah, finally. We were dying to celebrate in India, and the day is here.
Now give me the beat.
Can I ask you a question like everybody?
No. Yeah.
Did you miss us? Did you?
Not at all.
You did.
Your vlogs were way better than you. So we were not missing you. Yeah.
I know you were all crying behind our backs.
In your dreams.
मेरे आंसू खत्म हो गए. I can't cry anymore.
Yeah, we love you and we love Saran.
So these are the cakes from Special Cake
Super
and
Donuts.
Super Donuts.
Acha, are we in the vlog?
Yes, you are. 30-year-old.
30-year-old. Men get naughty at 30. Men get
30.
Even you only 40 men.
वो नहीं यार ये YouTube पे नहीं
Naughty at
डाल- ये YouTube पे नहीं डाल सकते. Cheers, guys! Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it.
What is this?
Yes, that's it, that's it.
That's it. Canada में इतनी केक खाती कैलोरी कॉन्शियस है ये.
Time for a special person to have a drink. Yeah! Time for another special person to have a drink.
Yeah.
Special for you.
Saran. Saran.
Do you want to have Saran?
birthday.
Saran, show off.
These guys, they have like destroyed my face now. So it's my
I love
time.
it.
Happy birthday! And he's here! The man is here! Now it's time for a cake smash for Ketan! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
We are all blue boys. We are men in blue.
Birthday.
Happy birthday. You, you're dirty.
shot.
Everybody, shot, 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 shot,
Shot, because it's Saran's birthday.
Yes.
Peekaboo is here.
The night is young.
Night is young.
We are Punjabis and we are fucking drunkers.
What's up? What's up?
What's up,
What's up?
Peekaboo?
We are having fun, guys.
I
a lot of fun.
love
It's
it.
so nice to meet everyone, and people are chilling. Everybody's chilling. We had so much fun. It's Saran's birthday anyway, so we couldn't have asked for more. This is the best birthday you can have.
Absolutely.
So happy birthday, Saran.
Love it, love it. Thank you so much.
She's a fabulous YouTuber and I'm sweating.
India is so hot and humid, guys. So hot and humid.
And she has forgotten she's come from the same place. So, but we are having a great time and we
Yeah.
love you, Pooja. And I hope everybody watching you loves you.
Everybody's celebrating Saran's birthday today, so that's what matters. It's all about Saran.
Peekaboo, Sarapu. Peekaboo, Sarapu. Yeah, that's the
That's
way.
what it is. And enjoy
Yeah.
tonight.
Love Peekaboo. Love Peekaboo. Peekaboo is here. We're having so much good time. Please subscribe. Please subscribe to Peekaboo. Peekaboo's channel. Subscribe. Sorry, we don't know.
Subscribe and
the
hit the bell icon, yes? Hit the bell icon, it's very important.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks, bye.
The after party people on the way.
Hey, Peekaboo.
Guys, this is what happens when you're in India. This is how the after party looks.
This is just the beginning. अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. All day, every day. One CR likes. 1 CR, how much is 1 CR?